I'm doing Sacajawea. Sacajawea was born in 1788 into the Agaidika tribe in Idaho. When she was about 12, her and a few other girls from her tribe were kidnapped by a group of Hidatsu Indians who took her to what we know as North Dakota. She was then sold to a French-Canadian called Toussaint Charbonneau. Within a year, she was pregnant with her first child with Toussaint Charbonneau when she was only 13. Shortly after pregnancy, the corpse of Discovery arrived along with its captain, Meriwether Lewis and William Clark. They were looking for helpers and hired Charbonneau and Sacajawea, who was said to be an interpreter, after the expedition, said to be an interpreter on the trip. While on the expedition, she gave birth in 1805. She was good at finding routes and scavenging for food. She also managed to recover a lot of items when their boat capsized. She also served as a symbol of peace when they found other tribes who weren't so friendly, because a woman looks less suspicious with men rather than just men alone. Once they reached the Pacific coast in 1805, they set up Fort Clatsop for the winter. Clark had become fond of the baby, whom he called Pompey, and offered to help him get an education after the expedition. Once Sacajawea had left the expedition, the details of her life became more elusive. In 1809, it is believed that she and her husband travelled with their son to St. Louis to see Clark. Pomp was left in Clark's care after Sacajawea gave birth to her second child, a daughter named Lisette, 3 years later. Only a few months after her daughter's arrival, she reportedly died at Fort Manuel in what is now known Kennel, South Dakota, around 1812. Sacajawea died in 1812 in South Dakota. Over the years, tributes to Sacajawea and her contribution to the Corpse of Discovery, which is a ship carrying Lewis and Clark, and they discovered most of America and gave us what we know now about America. Tributes have been made to her, such as statues, place names, and she was featured on a dollar coin issued by the US in 2000.
Okay, thank you.